How to fix AutoCAD LT for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall AutoCAD LT on a Mac using a script file, you can follow these steps. 1. Open TextEdit or your preferred text editor. 2. Copy and paste the following commands into the text editor. #bin/bash #uninstall AutoCAD LT sudo rmrf/application /autodesk sudo rmrf/library /application /support /autodesk sudo rmrf/library /preferences /autodesk sudo rmrf/user /shared /autodesk sudo rmrf/var/folder / *com.autodesk.installer.product.AutoCAD LT 2017 sudo rmrf/var/folder / com.autodesk.ACLT.plist. Save the file with a.sh. extension, example uninstall_AutoCAD LT.sh, to your desired location. Open Terminal on your Mac. Navigate to the location where you saved the script file by using the cd command followed by the path to the folder, example cd/downloads. Make the script file executable by entering the command mod+x uninstall_AutoCAD LT.sh. 3. Run the script file by entering the command /uninstall_AutoCAD LT.sh. 4. Enter your administrator password when prompted to confirm the uninstallation. This script file will remove AutoCAD LT and all associated files and preferences from your Mac. Please note that this script should be used with caution and only if you are sure you want to completely uninstall AutoCAD LT. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.